Hello student, in this video we will learn next point from your curriculum, that is about the enhanced IDE. Now what is an IDE? IDE, it is an integrated drive electronics. It is a one type of hard disk connector that is used to interface between your hard disk and the motherboard. So it's a next successor of this IDE. It is nothing but the enhanced IDE, as its name is indicating that it is an enhanced version, successor of this IDE, that is an integrated device electronics. So it is a faster than this normal IDE. Now we have seen that in case of IDE, that is an integrated drive electronics, so it is not just for the interface between your motherboard and this hard disk, but it is containing the drive controller along with this connector. We have seen there are two types of pins are there. One, it is about 40 pin connector, and second it is about the 80 pin connector. If it is a 40 pin connector, then data transfer rate is less as compared to the 80 pin connector. Even suppose this every cable of this IDE, it is having a 2 to 3 connector that we have seen in last video. So these 2 to 3 connectors means one connector it is connected to that particular motherboard, for example. Second connector it is connected to primary hard disk. Another connector you can connect to your CD drive, or you can connect it to a secondary hard disk. So if you want to connect two hard disks, so it is possible with the help of the IDE connector. So this IDE connector cable that can be used for floppy disk, that can be used for CD drive connecting, even it can be used for your hard disk. So that we have seen in last videos. So enhanced means it is a IDE but having an enhanced version than this IDE. So it is having a faster transfer rate than the IDE. Now who developed this IDE? It is developed by the Western Digital and Compaq that we have seen, and it is in 1994. It is extension for the ATA 80 attachment standard, ATA 1 standard. So ATA and ATA 1, it is the next version of this ATA. EIDE, it is sometimes called fast ATA or fast IDE or ATA 2. It is replaced by other standards that offer the faster transfer rate. Now this EIDE, it is providing the faster access because it supports the direct memory access. Now what is the direct memory access? Direct memory access means you can access the memory without interfacing with this or intermediate component of the CPU. So that is the use of DMA that we have seen. So it can support for the DMA. That's why it can access fastly the hard drive content, hard disk content, even suppose it is connected to the CD-ROM also. To access the data which is having a 520 MB or greater than or larger than 528 MB of drives, then we can use the EIDE. It is using how many bits of logical block address? It is about the 28-bit logical block address. Now this logical block address means your hard drive, it is divided into logical partitions. Now these every partitions again divided into different blocks. So block containing some bytes of information. So here one block will be having 28 bit. So in a one block you can store 28 bit of data. So 0101 such like that 28 bits you can store into that particular block address. So it is supporting for 28 bit logical block address, which specify the cylinder number, we specify the head, sector location of the disk. So it is supporting for up to 8.4 GB device size. So this is about the EIDE. So EIDE, it is nothing but it is just enhanced integrated drive electronics, and it is you can say successor of IDE. Then it acts as an interface between computer and your device storage, that is a motherboard and your device storage. It is also called as a ATA 2 or the fast IDE. So it is replaced with this normal old-fashioned, old traditional IDE. Why it is providing the faster access? Because it is supporting for the direct memory access, DMA controller. And suppose if we want to access a larger than 520 MB of drives, then we should use this EID. It stores the data address or the block address and size of the 28 bit. Now what kind of address? Address means your that physical address will be stored into your block of your hard disk. So it will contain the sector, at what sector the data is stored, then cylinder number, sector number, and that particular head and track number. All this information, it is stored in your 28 bit logical block addresses. It is support the device size up to 8.4 GB. So this is about the EID. So we will stop here. Thank you.